to BBC News Report. We are here to talk about the Paralympics. Now I'll pass you on to Calvin.
This year the Paralympics have been a success. The 2014 Winter Games have been held in Sochi. Many athletes have joined together from many countries around the world. The Paralympics is a great opportunity for people with disabilities to be able to express their talents. Now I'll pass you on to my colleague Lewis.
It is 10:09 p.m. in Sochi with Tamar and Sophia.
And I'm Tamar. The first Winter Paralympics were held in Rome 1960.
This year the Paralympics 2014 took place in Sochi.
Great Britain returned to Sochi with 6 medals, including first gold medal on snow.
Great Britain won bronze in curling after beating China 7-3.
Thank you to Sophia and Tamar and my colleague Lewis.
Thank you, Calvin, and thank you for watching BBC News at 10 o'clock.
Next is EastEnders.
Goodbye.